Hey, what's up, tubers? I hope you're having a happy hair day. Today, I'm going to show you how to properly apply a leave-in conditioner on your hair. Because believe it or not, a lot of guys don't know how to. So you've tuned in on the right video. Let's go. Hit it. First, let me tell you what a leave-in conditioner is. A leave-in conditioner provides moisture to your hair. Not only moisture, but with the right leave-in conditioner, it also hydrates your hair. It helps your hair shine. It helps curl your hair. If you want waves, it helps you achieve waves. And it also promotes growth to your hair. So a leave-in conditioner, I would say, is the most important thing for your hair. It's basically like food for your hair. As a human being, if we don't eat, what do? We die. The same thing with the leave-in conditioner. If you don't use a leave-in conditioner, your hair will not be moisturized. It eventually dies. So a leave-in conditioner is a must. Now, you do not have to use a leave-in conditioner every day. I highly recommend that you use a leave-in conditioner at least 3 times a week. And the most important thing when you're using a leave-in conditioner is you want to condition your hair. Now that might sound weird because what a lot of guys do is they'll put the conditioner on their hair just on top. But no, you want the leave-in conditioner to get those hair follicles under your hair. Think of it like a plant. In order for a plant to grow, it needs water, but the water is for under the dirt. That's what helps the plant grow. With the same thing with the leave-in conditioner. The better you apply it, it's for under your scalp. That's what moisturizes your hair. That's what helps your hair grow. That's what helps you with the waves. That's what helps you with the curls. Now, I'm going to show you how to properly apply a leave-in conditioner, and I'm going to give you a pro barber tip to apply it even better. I'm going to use my Dixon 1737 leave-in conditioner. This is all natural, no parabens, no lanolin, no sulfates, and no petroleum. All the good stuff for your hair, none of the icky stuff that can cause cancer or clogs your pores. The first thing I'm going to do is apply some water on my hair. I don't want you to wet it like you just coming out the pool. We don't need all that, but just get it damp where it's nice and soft, and then you apply your leave-in conditioner. Only thing you need is a fingertip full. Apply it to your hair. I want you to go in circular motions, and you want to make sure that it's really getting down in your scalp. This is where the pro tip comes in. You want to get you a comb. This is my Dixon's comb. I do have it available, but you want to comb the leave-in conditioner in your hair. When I say comb it in, the reason why you want to do this because you want it to get all up in your scalp. You can comb it through like that, or you simply just rub it through so that conditioner really gets in there. Especially guys, if you have dandruff. This is good because this will moisturize your scalp and you're good to go for the rest of the day. All the products that I mentioned, I'll leave them in the description. So this is how you properly apply a leave-in conditioner. Leave a comment and let me know what you think about the video. Also, what method do you use or what else do you want me to talk about? I'll see y'all later. Barber Luther King. Ciao.